Hey YouTube, in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to get free coins in Squad Busters. This is the new game, just came out, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to actually get this many free coins in the game. It's going to be completely for free. It's only going to take you about 5 minutes to get. All we're going to need to do is make sure we have Squad Busters installed on either our iOS or Android device, and we're going to be able to get this. Like I said, this is completely for free, it doesn't take too long, and I'm going to show you how to do it here today. So follow along. If you guys can't do this or you need any help, leave your Supercell ID or username in the comment sections and I'll send you 1 million free coins, and I'll go ahead and do that for you. So just go ahead and leave a comment if you need any help, and let's get into the tutorial. So if I'm speaking fast, I'm sorry. What we're going to do here is I'm going to turn on my screen recording. You should see this right here. As you guys can see, we have the Squad Busters app. So what we need to do is go to the App Store or Google Play Store, if you're on iOS or Android, go to Squad Busters and make sure we're on the latest update of the game. So if it says update, you need to update this. Because this plugin that we're getting works on the live servers of the game, you need to make sure you are going ahead and using the official real version of Squad Busters from either the Apple Store or Google Play Store. Very, very important. Once you got that, we can then go ahead and start. So we've got that installed, ready to go. Now what we're going to do is get the plugin. So come over here to Safari, and we're going to go to this website here called pluginmodi.com. Now I'm going to spell it out for you. Follow what I do and what I type in. So do www, right, dot plugin. So plugin, and then modi. So mody.com. pluginmodi.com. So should load this, and that's how you spell it if you can't figure it out or you can't understand my accent. Okay, that doesn't want to zoom out. Let's just, what is going on? There we go. Okay, so what we're going to do is go and search for the plugin. So just type in Squad, okay, and you're going to see Squad Busters Unlimited Coins. So tap on that one, and it should pop up with the unlimited coins, plugin ready, click install to begin. Additional plugin files are required for the plugin to work. So press install, okay. What this is going to do is basically go ahead and install us the free coin Squad Busters plugin, and yeah, basically go ahead and do this. Should be nice and easy, doesn't take too long. Unpack it, and basically, yeah, that's going to be it. Plugin Modi will do its work and install it. Obviously, make sure you have the game installed. Now, in order for this to fully work, it is going to need some additional plugin files for this to go ahead and work. And as you guys can see there, it says additional plugin files required. So I'm going to wait for this, and it's going to say the Squad Busters mod installer. Please get 2 to 3 free additional plugin files to automatically install the plugin. Additional plugin files are required for this plugin to run. If some don't work, try others. Watch the YouTube video below for help. So there's going to be this video here called Plugin Last Step. This is going to be how to actually install the plugin. Basically, you're going to need 2 to 3 of these free additional plugin files. Like for example, this one here is TikTok. It just says go ahead and get TikTok and open it up. So you just tap on that, tap free, and then go ahead and get TikTok. There's going to be heaps of them. They might be different wherever you're from, what time of day you do this. So it is going to be different for you, but if you need help, highly recommend to watch this video called Plugin Last Step. It's going to help you install it. But basically, go ahead and do the Travel Town one or Family Arm, whatever it is, guys. Super easy. Complete them, do them, and then that will then load the Squad Busters plugin kind of mod into your game. And then once you got that, you can get the free coins. So that's all it is for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.